Hey guys, my name is Dyer and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm bringing you a super powerful homemade herbal treatment for hair growth that I made myself. And trust me, this one's special. So if you're trying to grow your hair, or if you're dealing with thinning, breakage, or even bald spots you want to fill in, this video is for you. This oil is packed with nutrients that can really help your hair thrive. Make sure you watch the whole thing until the end so you don't miss anything. So without further ado, let's get right into this video.
1, 2, 3.
First, we have fennel seeds. These help strengthen your hair follicles, reduce breakage, and nourish your scalp with vitamins A, C, and E. Next, we have black rice. Black rice is rich in antioxidants that protect your hair from damage and premature graying. It helps strengthen your roots, reduce hair fall, and add shine. Now we're adding black sesame seeds. They are packed with iron, zinc, healthy fats, and vitamin E. They help to nourish your scalp, strengthen your hair, and may even help with delaying premature graying. Moving on, we have flax seeds. Flax seeds are rich in omega-3, protein, and vitamin E. They help reduce breakage, improve moisture, and make your hair softer and shinier. Next is mustard seeds. These here help improve scalp circulation, fight dandruff, and strengthen your hair while reducing hair loss. After that, we now have fenugreek seeds. Fenugreek helps strengthen the hair, reduce breakage, and fight dandruff. It's also known to help reduce hair loss. Now let's add rosemary. Rosemary is amazing for stimulating hair growth, improving circulation, as well as reducing hair loss. It also helps with dandruff and itchy scalp. Next, I'm adding rose petals. These help calm the scalp, reduce inflammation, and act as a natural conditioner while balancing your scalp. After adding the rose petals, we're adding hibiscus. Hibiscus strengthens the hair, supports growth, reduces breakage, and helps prevent premature graying. Next up, here are some cloves. Cloves help boost circulation, strengthen the hair, and fight dandruff. My final ingredient will be dried curry leaves. These are rich in nutrients that strengthen the hair, reduce hair fall, repair damage, and help prevent early graying. This is how all the herbs looks like. Now let's mix it up. Next, I'll use my grinder to blend everything into a fine powder. this is how it looks like after grinding. I'll mix it up, then let's move on to the next step. Here I have an aloe vera, which I will wash then soak for about 10 to 20 minutes to remove the yellow sap, which can irritate the skin. I will now cut it into small cubes and add it into my pot. Let's now add in the herbal powder and mix everything together. I'll now add in 2 cups of extra virgin olive oil, but you can use any oil of your choice. Now mix it well. Here it is on low heat, which it will stay here for about 5 to 10 minutes, stirring continuously so it doesn't burn. Once it's ready, I'll remove it from the heat and let it cool down completely. Now that it has cooled, I'll go ahead and strain the mixture to remove all the particles. Now what's left is a powerful herbal oil that helps stimulate hair growth, reduce breakage, and improve scalp health. Now I'm adding some vitamin E. Vitamin E boosts circulation, reduces damage, and keeps your hair truly moisturized. I'll mix everything up once again. Now we have our final herbal oil. Rich, powerful, and perfect for promoting healthy hair growth. To finish, here I am transferring it into a dropper bottle. I'll now pour it into this bottle so it's easier to apply to the scalp and to easily massage it. So guys, this powerful oil is all done now and it's ready to use. If you enjoyed this video, please give this video a big thumbs up and don't forget to share with your family and friends. Please, let me know if you tried this amazing treatment out and how your experience was in the comments down below, and make sure to subscribe. Thanks for watching. Bye!